Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the January 2018 Sephora Play unboxing. If you guys don't know what Sephora Play is, it is a beauty subscription service through Sephora and it costs $10 a month. There's not free shipping on it, so I think it's like an extra like 80-90 cents for the shipping. And they send you 4 to 5 trial sized, sample sized beauty products, skincare, hair care from Sephora every single month, so you get to try out some of the products in their stores, and I think it's an awesome way to just expand your makeup collection and get to try out some new things. So without further ado, let's jump into the box. So first you always get your little pamphlet, and it always comes with your Sephora Play Pass. And if you take this into Sephora and you make a purchase with it, you get an additional 50 beauty insider points on your account. So I'm gonna turn that off and save it for later. And then if you open this bad boy up, it will tell you everything that you have received. This is what the bag looks like this month. It's just got this blue ribbon, this turquoise ribbon, and it says 2018. Sorry, I'm like choking. It says 2018 Happy New Year on it, so that's really cute. So you go ahead and open her up and start digging in. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. And I don't know. This is kind of just like an product. Like, they give these to me at Sephora anyways for free when I buy stuff. So I'm like, this is stupid. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. Primer and moisturizer in one. So this is a new product from Smashbox, which is really cool. I'm really glad they sent us that because it's new, so we all get to try it out, see if we like it. And you just get this little tiny little glass bottle of it. So this is going to be really nice for the winter time because my skin gets really dry. And when I go to put my primer on, it'll be nice. Oh, it feels really nice too. I'm really excited to give this bad boy a go and see if I like it. The next product I'm pulling out of the bag is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser, and everyone got this in their bag this month, I'm pretty sure. So I always like getting cleansers from Sephora. I think I just got it all over my face. It's got a really, like, it smells kind of like peppermint and licorice. I am really excited to try this out. I always really enjoy trying out new skincare products, so I'm really glad that we all got this month. Alright, the next thing I'm pulling out is the Fresh Rose Floral Toner, and this bad boy is infused with soothing rose water, and it's supposed to hydrate and refresh your face. So, open this up. And it just looks like this. And, I mean, toners are cool. I just feel like I always get a toner, and like, to me, it's just like a bottle of water. I don't know. It's not like the most exciting thing in the world, but I do enjoy having this and I will use it. Alright, the next thing I'm pulling out is the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream, and it just looks like this. Looking in there, like, you can tell, like, I don't know if you guys can tell from the lighting, but you can totally tell that it's like half empty, so that already kind of sucks. But I do like eye creams and I do like trying out new eye creams, and I have not tried out this one before, so I guess I'm okay that it is in the bag. Alright, last thing we're pulling out this month. Oh, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Kirsten, or Kristen. Yeah, Kristen. I love, love, love these. I got one of these in my Sephora Play last month and I was obsessed with it. And I'm really glad and really happy they sent me another one this month. They are so creamy. Oh, they smell good. They smell like cake. And they just like, they're just really nice looking, and they're just glosses that are like really thick. They have almost like a liquid lip kind of consistency to them, but really loving that shade and really loving that. So I'm really glad that they sent that to me. That's probably my favorite thing this month. Alright guys, that is everything I got in my Sephora Play bag this month. This bag was kind of like an bag for me. I don't know. This is probably like my least favorite bag that I have received so far from Sephora Play. Usually I get a lot better stuff, but it was kind of iffy for this month, which is surprising because it's the beginning of the month. Like, you really want to wow your people, but we'll give them some more time. Maybe they're just trying to figure some stuff out since it's January. They're trying to get their crap together. But if you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure you give it a big thumbs up and you subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Find my remote. Did I turn it off?